It's a way that all people come together, they train together, big, small, old, young. And if you practice Aikido for a very, very long time, you see how wonderful it is, how people develop, how movements develop, how the Keiko develops. And that's the reason why I love Aikido so much. It makes people come together, and especially if you attend seminars in other countries or towns, it's a beautiful way to get together and train and sweat and have a nice time with this wonderful Budo art, Aikido. Thank you.
Right.